afternoon guys! So, umuulan po ngayon at papunta po kami sa Lakbay Museum. So, hi naman dyan guys! Guys, ito po yung pinaka-hassle para sa mga commuter. Traffic!
Mabuhay! Welcome to Lakbay Museo! Good day! Today, we're gonna tour you around on Lakbay Museo. And this is located at second floor, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Filipino Village. Tara, ikutin natin ang Lakbay Museo. Yun guys, there are two ways to enter the museum. First is, this is the Ati-Atihan Festival, one of the most festival in the Philippines. So let's go.
This is the second way of entering this museum is using our traditional jeep. Mawi-mawi! Mawi-mawi! Have calling made out of contrast, native wood, at nalayo po nila ito na hindi po ginagamitan ng copper. At tinatawag din po namin ito ng puzzle house. And kaya po naman po ang kanyang design na mataas po siya. Represent po yung flood and yung pagkaklas po ng mga wild animals. Especially po yung mga dagang puno. Madalas naman kayo po ito sa gitna po ng sakahan bilang pahingahan po ng ating mga mainit na malasaka.
So here, you can see the Bali House which is originated from Cordillera. So ito po yung bahay, traditional bahay nila noon, which is elevated siya. As you can see.
The lower part po, we have dito na po kalayok. So they are the Filipino workers just making jar out of clay and water. And yun lang po yung hawakan nyo sa
Ito na, pwede ko na make. Nice. Now we're going to Region 5, which is the Bicol region.
Ito kami sa loob na Mayon Volcano. Okay. Ngayon, papasok na po tayo sa loob. Wow! Ang ganda.
So, yung color po po, para po sa nakabata, mga adult po with the young hearts. Dahil yung color po isang bibigyan po siya ng Roy po sa atin po mga pusa. Once na nakakita po tayo nito. Celebrate po every month of May sa province ng Albay to commemorate Daragang Magayon. And Magayon sa Bicolano word which means maganda or beautiful. And ito po ang kanilang actual costume during the festival na inspired naman po sa lava ng ating Mayon volcano. Dahil there's a famous local legend po sa ating probinsya ng Albay na ang Mayon volcano daw po ay symbolism ng pagmamahalan ni Daragang Magayon ng kanyang lover po na si Ulan. Our ruins, so ito naman po yung remnants ng lumubog po na simbahan during the major volcanic eruption noong 1814 kung saan yung buong simbahan po niya ay lumubog at natira na lamang po ang kanyang bell tower. Okay.
So, for now, this is our national heroes. First is Dr. Jose Rizal. And also here, we have Lapu-Lapu and also Jago Silang and also Sultan Kudarat. So, these are the representation of Pansit and Kakani. So, as you can see, hindi siya totoo, pero realistic siya. Materials here are gawa sa recycled materials, which is nature friendly. The second station, they have activity. I think this is sand here. So you can play sand here and paint as well. You see? So maraming activity here sa station 2, most likely. Yeah, and they have as well baking. So yung mga guests na gusto ma-experience to have
Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa Station 3 kung saan makikita natin yung mga exotic foods na pwede natin kunin. It is super warm. Kasi naman makikita natin yung iba't ibang rice na meron sa bansa natin. Nandito naman yung iba't ibang coffee beans. So, this is the station for NCR region. Makikita nyo, as you can see, there is the Villarica. It's popular. And then this would be wet market and a dry market combination. So here, as you can see, meron silang mga representation ng mga seafood. So, iba't ibang paprika siya nagawa sa pinya po, no? Tsaka abang. Then ito naman, iba't ibang condiments.
From Quezon Province. So, meron po tayong dalawang flavor. So, meron po tayong original and yung colorful po is bubblegum flavor.
Saris tindahan.
Dito naman po, meron po silang sari-sari store.
Saan po gawa tong rice?
Sa mga lumang goma po.
So, itong mga ano to, hindi siya totoong rice. So, gawa siya sa goma.
Ito po na yung pan. Kung sangag.
Galing. You can see, yan, yung mga famous Filipino merienda.
Banana Q.
And this one is balot. Bumili na kayo.
So here is representation of Calle Crisologo, Ilocos region. Wow. We have coconuts. Wow, mango. Avocado, guyabano.
Pagkain Ilocos.
Welcome to Pahiyas Festival!
Pahiyas Festival.
Pahiyas, Panagbenga, tapos Moriones. So dito, makikita nyo iba't ibang representation ng Puto, Suman. Puto, Suman. Ito kay PM.
So we have here a diorama. Mga gawa sila ng mga inmates from Palawan. Ang tema nila is sustainability, so recyclable.
So here, meron din representation ng mga palarong Pinoy. Which is, the kadang-kadang. At saka ito, ano tawag dito? Yun, kadang-kadang dito. Tapos, tumbang preso at saka sipa. So sa last station, which is the Mindanao station, meron din silang representation na food that you can find the menu sa Mindanao. So here, Minka, Laswa, We are on our last station. So ito yung last station na which is Mindanao. So here, as you can see as you enter, mayroong magko-cultural show. And as you can see yung mga seats, suman, sapin-sapin. So let's go, let's watch their cultural show. Tour vlog here at Lakbay Museo. Thank you. Bye.